What is going on, guys? I am Josh from TheFrugalBoys, and I have an unboxing for you today. I got a pair of Nike SBs up in Florida in the Nike outlet. They were going for $60 and the retail was $110, but online they're like $90, but it's still a steal. $60, $30 off. Yeah, let's just get right into this unboxing. So the reason why I picked up these shoes is because they were on sale, of course, and these are going to be my first pair of Nike SBs. I'm just starting my collection now, even though I have a lot of shoes in the background right now. But yeah, this is my first pair of Nike SBs. They were really nice when I saw them. They're on the shelf. I was like, there was so many pairs. I don't know why no one was buying them. I think they're like, I don't know, no one liked them. I guess I liked them. They look really nice. I think they'll look really nice on my feet right here. And yeah, let's just open these up. So the colorway is it's white, Orion blue, and the Nike SB Dunk High TRD QS. These are sick pairs of shoe. For some reason, they look kind of dirty. They do look kind of dirty, I can't lie. But $60, I think that's the reason why they're $60. Look at these, man. Look at these. These look so good. Oh my gosh. I can ball up in these shoes, I feel like. They're really good leather right here. Really nice leather. Good, what do you call it? Good mesh right here in the back area. Shoelaces, don't matter. It did come with another pair of shoelaces. They were blue. I don't think they'll look good on here because it will be too much. It'll look too bright. Like just that one pair of blue swoosh, Nike swoosh sign right here looks really good already. And there's a bit of blue in the tongue right here. But these are kind of comfortable. This is really soft. Like this SB thing right here. Oh my gosh, these are really soft. I can't lie, I would cop again. So I'm gonna show you guys what these look like on feet. Let's pair that right now. These are a really nice shoe. I think they run true to size. For me, they do, because I'm a size 11. I know I am a size 11. I am not joking. And I am only 15. I know there's other people that have a bigger size than me, and they're only 15, but I feel like that's a big size already. The soles look clean. They look nice. Just a regular pair of soles, except for the blue part. Looks kind of cool. Yeah, let's get to the on feet.
I got on my leather jacket Thriller.